How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Raptor Linear Super Takedown Visor light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll notice a connector. And this is to be used with our optional Super Takedown Grand Control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your two main power cables here, and then you'll have your white backlight cable. Now with our optional Grand Control, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here, so you'll have dual flash pattern memory. You have your pattern changer button here, you have your TD button, you have your super takedown button, you have your dim functionality, and your backlight function. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I'm using my super takedown Grand Control. So I have my power button, and then mode 1 where I have one flash pattern saved, and then mode 2 where I have a second flash pattern saved, so you have dual flash pattern memory. And then here you have your pattern changer, which works whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2 to change your flash patterns. And then here you have your TD button, which will activate your two white takedowns there. And then you have your super TD button, which will activate super takedown mode. And then you have your dim button here, which will dim the LEDs of your light bar, whether you're in warning mode or your super takedown mode. And then here you have your backlight button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box, and you can activate those via your button or your white backlight cable here. Now I did bring a red, blue, clear color example here, but we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a couple of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear color unit, and then in the middle, I brought an amber clear, and then up top, I brought a red, blue, clear color option. But we do offer all of these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, you can use our customization tool. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now another really cool feature of our multicolor visor bars is you can run your unit in multicolor, primary, or secondary by using your built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I have a red, blue, clear color model. So in mode 1, I have a multicolor flash pattern programmed. And then in mode 2, I have a primary color flash pattern programmed. Now since this is a red, blue, clear, red, blue will be my primary color. Now if I wanted to program my secondary color, I can go ahead and cycle to those flash patterns here, and then that will save in mode 2. And then I still have my multicolor pattern programmed in mode 1. So you do have that functionality to program your multicolor, primary, or secondary colors in mode 1 or mode 2 with your optional Grand Control, or you can hardwire that functionality. When it comes to using our optional Super Takedown Grand Control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here or your white hardwire cable. Now if you use the white cable, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or you can use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar. And then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our MultiColor Raptor Linear Super Takedown Visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.